thinking about using your American Express at Costco? Let's clear up the current policies and how you can make it work. For years, Costco has been a bit of a mystery when it comes to American Express acceptance. The good news is, things have evolved, and you can use your Amex card at Costco, but there's a crucial detail you need to know. Costco's official policy is that they only accept American Express cards for online purchases made directly through Costco.com. This means if you're shopping on Costco's website, you're in luck. Simply proceed to checkout as usual, and you'll have the option to enter your American Express card details. Now, the important part: in-warehouse purchases. Currently, Costco warehouses do not accept American Express cards directly at the register. So, if you're at the warehouse, you'll need to use a different payment method. Costco warehouses primarily accept Visa cards, their own Costco shop card, cash, or debit cards. This online acceptance for American Express is a key distinction, so always remember that before heading to the warehouse. In summary, you can use your American Express for all your online Costco purchases, but for in-store shopping, you'll need to opt for Visa, cash, debit, or the Costco shop card. Happy shopping!